Beautiful bar soaps produced using the semi-hot method. This is my banger method. This method gives you, it doubles your output. Like I had the testimony of one of my madam in my last group training. I'll allow you hear what she has to say. From producing 11 to 12 or 13 bars of soap from 1 liter of PKO, she was able to produce a whopping 24 bars of soap using my method, the semi-hot method.
These are my beautiful soaps. Look at my soaps. Are they not beautifully made? Yes, they are beautifully made. My name is Tina. Before I learned this method, I was using 1 liter of oil to produce between 11 and 13 bars of soap. But after my training with Glomajos Business School, I am now making 24 pieces of soap from 1 liter of oil. Please help me thank Glomajos Business School for teaching me this method that is helpful to me, that has made me to make more profit from my laundry soaps. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
You've heard from her directly. I know you also want to start making profit from your soap business because I know it's a challenge that most soap sellers make. So because of the demand from after the last group training we had, we've created a class on Telegram where you can make payment and you'll be taken to class immediately and you start learning. So to join us to learn how to make these beautiful soaps and how to start making profit from that soap business, click the link in the description box and you make your payment and you'll be taken to class automatically. The fee is still 5,000 naira, discounted by 50%, and you can make payment from any part of the world. And if you want to make bank transfers or if you have any inquiries, just send me a WhatsApp message on 234 802904 66 and 05. I want to see you in class because I want to see you start making profit from that soap business. Thank you.